Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today I'm going to be filming a Shein haul, so I don't think I've actually shopped there fully. I think I bought one item last year, and then a long time ago on my blog they sent me something and worked with me. This video isn't sponsored. I bought all of this myself, but I know I worked with them in the past, but I've never fully shopped there until recently because I saw so many TikToks with so many cute items, so I jumped on board and decided to place an order. There are 3 separate orders that I'm going to be sharing with you. They all came in, so this is just going to be a mini review of all the products, an unboxing, and just a haul of all the things that I got on Shein. Here are the 3 massive bags. I don't know if you can see that. There is a small one, a medium one, and a large one. So we are going to start off with the smallest to the largest. The largest one is actually the first order that I placed, and then the medium one is the second order, and the small one is the third. So yeah, I am going to open this up now, and then we can see all that's what's inside. Here is the first one we're going to open up. So here is everything inside. So I just bought a lot of phone cases in this order. So here are the 4 phone cases. I kind of went obsessed. There will be, I think, 2 more in the other packages, but this is what they look like. So these were all under $2, I believe, so they're not the most protective of cases. They're just fun and cute. I'll show you them individually now. First one is this hot pink, and it says Queen on it, and it has a crown, and this is just my branding. I have an inside joke with my family that I say I'm the queen of everything. It's in Tagalog, Filipino, but I just translate it into English and say I'm the queen of everything. My last name starts with a QU as well, so I associate my last name with queen as well. So yeah, I just thought this was so cute. Plus it was hot pink, so this is me in an iPhone case. If you could tell, this is just me. It isn't opaque. It's like a neon clear case, but I can't wait to put that on my phone. Next up is this pink floral case that has a J on it. I love getting things with my first initial on it as well, so just picked that up. Thought it was really cute for spring. Third phone case is this super cute one. It has bows all over it. You know me in bows. So yeah, it just has some hot pink bows, some purple bows, colors that I'm obsessed with right now, and I just thought it was so cute. And since I do have the purple iPhone, it's clear, so it will show up really cute on here, so got that. The fourth phone case is just a lavender one. It's going to match my phone perfectly, and it has a bow here in the center. I just thought that was so cute, just a single bow on it. So yeah, that is the 4th phone case that I ordered. Now we're moving on to the second package. This is what everything looks like inside. Let me pull it out and show it to you. So this order had 5 things in it, so let me just share it with you now. I love them so much. They look so cute. I guess we can start off with the phone case since I just showed you so many. This is so cute. So it's just a pink phone case with cherries on it. So I'm reading a book right now, and the main character is obsessed with anything cherry on it. So I thought that was just so cute, and again, it was under $2, so I picked that up. My bow obsession is coming back. Who knew Shein had so many cute bows? And they have bows that I don't have in my collection, so totally had to snag some up. I got this pink fuzzy bow. I don't have a fuzzy bow. I have a lot of pink bows like this, but not one in this texture. So yeah, super excited about that. And here is what it looks like. So cute, so fuzzy. I can't wait to wear that. So yeah, it was under $2 as well, so yay, I got a pink fuzzy bow. Next we have some earrings. I got 2 pairs, and I believe they might be $1 each, so I thought that was so cute. So first up are these cute bow earrings. You know me and bow stud earrings. I forgot to put mine on today, but I just love a good cheap bow stud earring because they're just so easy to put on. I thought it was so cute, and they're pretty decent sized on the website they didn't look too big, but they're actually pretty big. Then we have these earrings. They're just like lollipop earrings, and again, another book that I am reading have this cherry sucker theme, so I just got these for fun. They were only $1. I was like, why not? The last item in the second package are these sunglasses. Who knew they came in this like very pretty case? Like these were like only like $4, I believe, and it's like packaged really nicely, so that is fun. Yay, they're so cute. It has like a dust cloth and it is the like watermelon sugar sunglasses, as I call them. I've been obsessed with Harry Styles at the minute, so that's why I got these. These would have been perfect for my Valentine's Day outfit. They're just red heart sunglasses and I thought they were so cute. Of course I have to try them on because why not? They are pretty cheaply made, but oh wow, they make everything red. Oh, that is so cute. I love that. Like everything is now neon red in here. That is so cool. So yeah, I've got these sunglasses. Now we're moving on to the last package. This is like the most exciting one. It's like the biggest and I bought a lot of things in here, so I can't wait to open it. So let's do that now. Here is what it looks like. Let's see what I got in here. Ta-da! It is this bag. So this is the reason why I placed the Shein order in the first place. So I saw this on the website and I was like, that looks like the bag all like the influencers have on Instagram and I really want it. I think it's a YSL bag and I'm like, that is so cute, but I don't think I can afford that anytime soon. So I got a designer dupe version of it. I love my designer dupes. This has no like branding or anything, so it only just looks like it. It's a dupe, not a replica or a copy. And here is what it looks like in all its glory. That is so nice, and the quality is actually surprisingly okay. It does have like a little bit of a chemically smell, but yeah, that is what it looks like. Let's open it up. The magnetic is pretty solid on it. It's pretty spacious. I don't have a bag this like size at the moment, so this is great. I actually really like it. I got it in the apricot color, I believe, but it comes in like other colors, a blush pink, a black, and I think a beige. I don't know what the difference is, the beige and the apricot, but that is so nice. That is going to look so cute. So yeah, can't wait to style this for the blog. Next up we have another bag, and this was just so cute. It was like $5 and it is a hot pink sparkly bag. I thought this would be a cute birthday bag. I love bags like these for my hot pink dresses, and yeah, it's just a cute little mini clutch bag. Hopefully the sparkles don't come off on it. So yeah, it's a really cheaply made bag, honestly. Like it doesn't feel the greatest quality, but just for like display and stuff, I thought it was cute. Then we have some more bows. I told you I bought quite a bit of bows because they're so affordable, and they have ones that I don't already own, so that's why I justified by buying more bows. You know me and bows. If you watch my channel for a long time, I'm just obsessed with them. So I got 3 different kinds. They're different textures, different colors. I can't wait to show you each of them now. Let's start off with this white one. It looks so pretty and I love the back on it. It's the ones that I like clipping into my hair. This is a white one. You can't go wrong with a white bow. This is so pretty. It reminds me like of a bridal bow, to be honest. It's just white lace and it's just so cute. Here is what the bow looks like. Pretty big too, so I can't wait to wear that, and it's just gonna look so cute, especially with my all white outfits in the spring and summer. Next bow, we have a golden kind of bow. I don't have any bows in this color or outfits like this. I don't know why I got it. I think it was supposed to be like a beige. I don't have a color like this already, and if I need one, I have it now. This is what it looks like. So it's just a neutral nude bow. It kind of matches my headband, so maybe that's what it was supposed to be, like a nude color like this. But yeah, even though I still like it, super cute. Can't wait to wear it. The last bow is a big boy. This is like one of the biggest bows I think I have. The bigger the bow, the better, in my opinion. So this is a velvet like I don't know, tan colored bow. I can't describe what color this is. So here is the bow. It doesn't really look like it's even. This side is so much bigger than this side. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. I don't know, but that is huge. That is going to be huge on my head. Why in the world am I gonna wear that? Oh, it's like that velvet material. That's what it looks like. Here we have two more items, another phone case and a necklace. It's pink with hot pink heart-shaped lollipops, again with the lollipop theme. So again, it was like from the book that I'm reading. This is just cute and I love the color of it, and yeah, I can't wait to put it on my phone. I have so many to choose from. I'll have to switch out my phone cases every day now. Then we have this item. This is a pearl necklace that says golden on it. I told you I'm obsessed with Harry Styles at the moment, so I just picked up this necklace. I think it was only like $3. I don't know why I got it, but I got it, so that is what it looks like. Here is the iconic like Shein bags that everyone has when they order from there. So I have two now, so yay. I have a pink skirt and then this is like a pink robe. So let's open it up and see what it looks like and the quality and all that. Oh, it looks so cute. So again, with the bow, and it is so nice. So it is just a pink pleated skirt. I love skirts like this. It's the most like flattering on me, and I love that it has a pink bow. That is so cute. I love that detail about it. It has a zipper here to the side. It's a little wrinkled because it just came out of the packaging, but quality isn't too bad on it, and I think I would wear this. So yeah, that is what the skirt looks like. I'll have to try it on in an overlay right now, style it up, and yeah, I can't wait to see if it fits or not. Then we have the last clothing item and the last thing in this haul. So let's open it up. Ta-da! It is this silk robe. So I'm doing a blog post and I wanted to wear a silk robe for it, and I saw this one and it came with like 3 pieces. It came with like a see-through bralette that I will not be using, and then this nice silk robe. The quality is actually pretty nice on it. I can't wait to wear that and like get ready in this. So got that, and then it has a belt to it, and then it came with some matching silk shorts. So they look pretty see-through, so don't know if I am going to be like wearing that. And I got a 3X because I don't think they had my 2X. I'm usually a size 16, but yeah. Thought I would get this for the video. I just needed the silk robe, so yeah, that is what that looks like. Besides the sizing, I think the quality is pretty good. I mean, for the price you pay, I feel like this was like $20 for the 3-piece lingerie set, I guess is what you call that. Overall, I'm pretty happy with my purchases. They're just like affordable girly finds that I found on Shein. There's just like so many more things. I probably should do like a proper clothing haul instead of like these random items, but yeah, I enjoyed my Shein haul, and my first impressions of it was it's pretty good for the price. I will link everything that I mentioned down below, including my fashion blog, which is fashionxfairytale.com, and you can follow me on Instagram, also TikTok. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching this Shein haul. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!